Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So you're probably here because you're looking for some more free affiliate traffic sources, guys, that you can start using and that won't require any sort of payment. So Instagram is another good one to try out, guys. It's being used by millions, as you all might already know. Um, Definitely very easy for organic traffic, guys. Just by posting pictures, guys, engaging with people. Um, Definitely requires consistency, guys, but it's another place that you can start getting organic traffic today, guys, just by engaging with the community, guys. So I hope this video was helpful, guys. If there's anything else you would like me to cover about Instagram in future videos, just comment below, guys. Anything else I can cover, just let me know. If this information was helpful, just let me know in the comments below as well, guys. It's going to be pretty much it for today. I'm going to keep it quick, keep it simple, and straight to the point. See you in the next video.